Now we are discussing about a sequence data type list. Already we have discussed two sequence data types. One is string and another one is set. Now the disadvantages what we have discussed in the set are overcome when we take the list. So I am writing A is equal to some empty square brackets. So this is a list. Now I am checking what is the data type of A. So this is a list. So this is a sequence data type. In that sequence data type, we will discuss a tuple and a dictionary also. Now, what is this list? I am giving some elements. We have to give the elements with the comma. I have given two integer elements and I have repeated one. Now I am giving the float elements 4.8, some 5.9. I am repeating 4.8. So we are giving the complex element 3 plus 4j and 5 minus 6j. I am repeating 3 plus 4j, and we are giving a boolean true and also false. Almost we have covered all data types. So now a list is created. If we print A, all the elements will be printed in the same order, unlike the set. This is not possible in the set. And also the duplicate elements also, they are not being terminated, unlike the set. Now indexing is possible for this list. Now I am checking what is the data type of A. So data type of A is a list, class list, you can observe here. Now I am checking A of 0, a index of the first element. So A of 0 is 1. Now A of 1 is, what is the value of A of 1? A of 1 is 2. Similarly, I want A of minus 1, the last element, that is false. Okay. Now I want A of minus 2, that is true. Now we are taking the elements from 0 to some 5. All the elements from 0 to 5 are printed. Now if I give some 4 to minus 2, the elements ranging in this indexing will be printed. We can concatenate two lists. Now we are taking one list 1 comma some 10.5 comma GPT. I am taking another list, so some 2 comma 6 comma 3 plus 4j. I want to concatenate these two strings for two lists. For concatening these two lists, if I use addition operator, then the two lists are concatenated and a combined list is formed. Similarly, when I take C is equal to A comma B, I am writing the two lists separated by comma. Now you can observe in the same C, the two lists are separated as two elements. You can think that this is one element and this is another element. We will check the indexing, then you will come to know. So now I am asking what is the first element in the C. The first list is printed. What is the second element in the C? Okay, zeroth element, because the index starts from 0. What is the zeroth element? This is the zeroth element. What is the first element? This is the first element. This is how we can include a list in another list. This is a list in another list.